The video. In this video, I want to talk about like what all factors you should consider before purchasing affiliate marketing course. So because in my journey, like I have seen multiple courses from different type of people, and they all have different styles, the way they teach and everything. So I'm going to cover a few factors that you should consider before going for that program. And so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. And also, I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to check the first link in the description if you are serious to get started with your online business. So coming back to today's topic, there are multiple courses out there, and there are multiple gurus, or whatever you want to call it, mentors, or like they all have different sort of programs. And sometimes I heard about this a lot of times, like people say like I got scammed, like the person took the money, he didn't provide me enough value, and all sort of things like that will happen in your journey, like especially if you are in the beginning. So if you are experienced, like like who provides the most value, like you are around this area quite a lot of time, you understand like what is good and what is bad. But especially if you're starting out, like you get ton of even if you just Google affiliate marketing, so you're gonna get ton of ads on your feed talking about affiliate marketing courses. So that's how big this industry is now. So it's like few of the core fundamentals that I wanted to share with you is like if before you purchase any course, like the first thing you should consider is like whether the person who is giving that coaching or that course, like he's a credible person. Credible doesn't mean that he has to be earning 6 figures, 7 figures, or anything like that. Just if you're following enough from on other platform, it could be on YouTube, like he provides massive value, like this guy can help me a lot. So that is the number one factor like you should consider while purchasing any program. And the step number two is like many of the courses, like they give the overview of like whatever they're gonna share in that training. So the first thing you're gonna look out for is like whether that course talks about mindset or not. So mindset is very important aspect in your online business, because many people will think that I don't care about mindset, so I'm just gonna do it. So they don't realize that mindset is the most important part in your online business, because if you don't believe what you're doing in, or if you don't have the right mindset in what you're doing, so you're not going to achieve anything like that you are actually practically implementing. So it's very important that you have the right mindset before jumping into your online business. So any ideal affiliate marketing course should have that module in their training, because that is the most important factor, because you need to get into right mindset before jumping into any course. And the next part I wanted to talk about, like whether they teach you how to craft an offer, because you don't want to join such programs where you're going to learn only limited amount of knowledge, where they will teach you how to promote only their product, and you don't know any other skill set, so you don't know how to create offer. And so this becomes like once that course disappears, or once the person disappears, like you have nothing to sell. So and you don't even got the skills like to what to promote to other products. Like even if you want to promote your any other products, like in the future, like your coaching or your services, you don't know how to product. So make sure like they teach you how to craft an offer, like it's not only their product, also other products as well. So third part is like see like there are different styles of way you can do affiliate marketing. Some people prefer SEO style, some people will say Facebook organic, some people will go for like creating sales funnel and email automation, all that stuff. So I mostly do this email automation and sales funnel stuff. So what I look for in my course is like do I get to generate leads? I mean whether I'm really generating leads. Do they teach me how to generate leads and keep the leads? Because email list is your online asset that you don't want to lose out, and because you can monetize that list all throughout your life, because that is your own asset. So it's very important that you see like whether they are really, because in affiliate marketing it's always, many people say like it's building someone else's business. So I'm promoting a product, like I'm promoting hardcore 1 year, like I generated revenue as well, but what happens tomorrow? That product disappears, like you don't have a business. So make sure you build your list, whether that program teaches you how to build a list, because with that list you can promote any other offers or your own services or products. So this is step number 3. And one more point you want to see is like so whether that program is covered with fundamentals of marketing and sales. So what I meant by that is like many courses are there, like they just want to teach you quick hacks or loopholes in the system, like you can make quick buck out of it. So you don't want to go for such courses, because that strategies or techniques are not going to sustain for a longer run. So you want to focus on more on fundamentals of marketing, sales, and that is what is going to get you results in the long run, and you're going to sustain in this business in the long run. So number one step, like in fundamentals such as like content creation, email list building, and creating irresistible offer, and selling. So these all are fundamentals, so make sure they cover them. And the next part is like so these are of major points, and I just wanted to add one more. I'm not able to recollect. So one more point is like just see like once you go through that course, like whether I mean after this course, like you can create your own personal brand, and you can create audience, and you can build your list. So just see like after completing the course whether you can do these things on your own or not, because if you're promoting their product, again that comes back to the point number one. So you don't want to just stick with that program. You can, so the main intention of building online business, because you don't want to treat it as a hobby or side hustle that you want to just make some $100 and just leave it off. You want to take this seriously, because you're competing against somebody who is already seriously doing this as a full-time income. So you want to be serious in this journey. So learning the fundamentals and creating that fundamental basics, creating that assets online is very, very important while building a long-term business. So make sure like once you go through that course, you are able to create your brand. It could be personal or on a company name, or maybe how to create content, and like content also, like it should not be only providing value all the time. They should also teach you how to sell things, and that is called as strategic content. That is what is pillars of your content. So once you build your content, like that content should lead them to somebody somewhere else. Like there should be a clean call to action. It could be to a sales funnel, or it could be your offer or anything. So it's very important that they teach you how to sell things, because if you are just providing value on your channel, and people will come and they admire you, and you're providing so much value to them, and they go and buy from somebody else because they're explicitly mentioning about their offer every single time. So you also need to learn how to sell things. Just not providing value is not enough to sustain in the long run. So these are core things like I would look for me, like while purchasing a program. So recently I have purchased a program by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian, where I see like most of my list is checked, and he's over delivering like whatever I'm expecting from that course. So that course has changed a lot for me. Like I'm able to create my brand, I'm able to create my content, I'm able to make results. And these are not some fancy tricks like chatbots and ManyChat. So all those trending things, I just follow on only basics, that has been taught, and he has covered both free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies. So I'm not going for a paid traffic strategies right now, so I'm just focusing on free traffic strategies. So once I make enough money, I can pump the money back in the paid traffic strategies to scale my business. That's my goal, and you should consider this factor as well in your while purchasing online business. So this program has everything whatever I spoke right now. And if you are looking to get started with your online business, and if you are serious to take action in the right direction, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is the amazing program that is going to help you a lot in your affiliate marketing journey. So be sure to check it out. And this was not a sales or something. You can go ahead and buy from somebody else, but definitely, because I recommend this program, because that has changed a lot for me, and I only try to recommend people that is actually I'm using and I'm getting value from that video, from that course. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.